WWF for the Raptors exhibition. Very well put. Well, this is a picture of the Brahmini kite. Raptors are vultures, eagles, buzzards, harriers, kites, osprey, falcons, hawks, and owls. So they come in many shapes and sizes. Raptors are also called the birds of prey, are flesh-eating birds that hunt other animals or scavenge for food. The word comes from the Latin rapture, which means to seize and carry off, reflecting the way raptors swoop down to carry off their prey. In India, we can see them approximately 107 resident and migratory species of raptors. Raptors have a place in different cultures in India, Jatayu and Garuda being examples. So WWF India initiated work on raptor conservation in 2019.